Very gray day today. Tomorrow's going to be much the same as we'll have a lot of clouds across the area. The difference will be we'll have a chance for some thunderstorms arriving into the area by afternoon and into the evening. And because of that, you'll see the area highlighted in yellow here. Storm Prediction Center has issued or included parts of the state in a slight risk for severe weather, technically from 7 a.m. tomorrow through 7 a.m. Sunday, but the main threat is going to be tomorrow afternoon into tomorrow night, with higher chances further to the south, especially in the north central Kansas. We'll get you started on Stormcast. I've turned the clouds off so it's easier to see the precipitation. I've also added on the surface winds because that's going to play a role in what we see tomorrow. A warm front will begin to lift further to the north and east. There's actually a low pressure area that's going to begin to develop. There's still some question as to how far north that warm front will get and how far north the low will get. Computer models suggest anywhere from north central Kansas to the state line, or even somewhat north between Beatrice and Lincoln. Along that warm front, we'll see thunderstorms beginning to develop, and right on that front we could see some of those thunderstorms even producing tornadoes. Further north of the warm front, it'll be more of a hail threat from thunderstorms as well as heavy rain. Here's 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Some scattered showers starting to happen in southeast Nebraska. As we head towards the peak heating of the day, here is the surface low. Notice all the air beginning to converge into it. That's the low sucking up all that air. And right along here is that warm front. So as that warm front moves towards the state line, that's what's going to allow thunderstorms to develop, and you can see that by 8 o'clock in the evening. Latest Stormcast suggests down towards the Hebron area we could have some strong, maybe severe thunderstorms beginning to develop. These will keep moving off to the east and northeast, and by 10 o'clock we'll have thunderstorms in the Lincoln area, up towards Omaha, down towards Beatrice and Fairbury, also off to the south and east and into northern portions of Kansas. And then this begins to lift off to the east, moving out of here by 1, 2 o'clock in the morning, although we will keep a chance for a little bit of rain early Sunday morning for Mother's Day. As far as the main threats, well, along the warm front, it'll be a tornado threat. If that warm front stays further to the south, that will stay down into Kansas. If it moves a little further to the north, that will start to include places like Beatrice, Hebron, and Fairbury. Hail threat will be up as well as the wind threat, and some of these thunderstorms could produce some very heavy rainfall. Now, Stormcast isn't putting down heavy amounts in any given location, but I do know there's going to be a lot of moisture available for this system to work with. In fact, look behind me in Iowa. That's likely where most of the heavy rain will fall, and Stormcast suggesting upwards over 1.5 inches of rain possible in Omaha.